Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have changed the setup. I have got just two lines drawn here on the chart because I prefer to keep my chart clean. So right now we have got only two important levels for today and tomorrow. First level is the resistance that you are seeing at the top, 1.3880, because this whole level, this whole level is the resistance for the GBP USD chart right now. And apart from this resistance level, you can see that we also have a support in the form of a trend line here. You can see that after joining these price levels, we are getting a dynamic support for the market. So we have a resistance and we have a support, and in comparison to the resistance, the support is weaker, because you can see that the support is quite a strong one. Whenever price was trying to go up, it was facing selling pressure from above. So in comparison, the resistance is stronger. Clear? Okay. And if we just look at the overall trend of the market here, because as we all know, the trend is always important, because trend is our best friend, trend is our soulmate, husband, wife. Anyways, jokes apart, okay, as we all know, trend is our friend, which means that we should follow the trend of the market. If a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as you can see that the overall trend of the market is towards the downside, and if we just focus on, overall trend of the market is sideways here. I was thinking about something else. Overall market is sideways, which means that the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal in this market. Because in an uptrend market, if a market is an uptrend, the number of buyers are higher in comparison to number of sellers. But in a sideways market, the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. But if we just focus on the present trend of the market here, then we can see that market is forming higher highs. Market is forming higher highs, and which clearly signifies that right now the present trend of the market is towards the upside. So therefore, considering the trend of the market, the basic rule, thumb rule of the market, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, isn't it? Yes, we should mainly look for buying opportunities if we just follow the trend of the market, and market is also standing at the support here, because in an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity is always near the support. But one thing that we need to focus here is the chart of US dollar. I have talked in detail in the other videos about the importance of the DXY chart. So in this video, I do not want to go in detail, because if you are new, then please watch my other videos that I have uploaded on Euro USD and Gold USD. You will get a detailed picture about the DXY chart. Okay. Because I do not want to bore you to death. So as we all know, whenever dollar goes up, GBP goes down, and when dollar goes down, GBP goes up. Right now we are seeing that US dollar is trying to go up, taking support at the trend line. And right now, if we just focus at the present condition, or the present position of the market here, then we can see that US dollar is in a very critical position right now. Because in case there is a breakout, market fails to take support at the trend line and goes down from here, then definitely there will be a good buying on the GBP. On the other hand, if market takes support at the trend line, if US dollar takes support at the trend line and goes up from here, then definitely there will be selling on the GBP USD. And in a market setup like this, whenever we see a market setup like this, when we have a resistance at the top and we have a support in the form of a trend line, and market forming higher lows, okay, then there is a possibility of market going up. So wait for a couple of hours and just wait for the market to give you a proper direction. In case there is a heavy selling on the US dollar after a couple of hours, 1 or 2 hours, then you can easily go for buy at GBP USD. Otherwise, in case market takes support, then do not do not go for buy on GBP USD. Okay, though GBP USD is in a very good position right now, okay, then still you should be careful. If you have already taken a buy position, then I just be on the trade. Just use a stop loss. That's my only request. Your stop loss should be below this line. That's it. And your take profit target will be this level. This will be your take profit target. On the other hand, if you are looking for a fresh position on the GBPUSD chart, then I'll tell you, my dear friend, wait for a couple of hours, wait for the US dollar DXY chart to give you a proper direction. Just keep in mind, in case there is a breakdown on the GBP USD, you can go for buy on in case there is a breakdown on the US dollar DXY chart. Okay, in case there is a breakdown here, okay, market breaks the support level, then you can go for a buy on the GBP USD. On the other hand, if market, okay, in case market takes support and goes up from here, then do not go for buy order at GBP USD. That's my only request. And on the other hand, if market breaks the level, breaks the resistance on the US dollar chart here, then definitely there will be huge selling on the GBP USD, because market will be extremely bullish. Okay, as of now, okay, you just focus on this particular portion of the chart. In case there is a breakout here, I'll be discussing again tomorrow, okay, what should be our next strategy. But as of now, right now, just keep your eyes on the chart of DXY. That's my only request. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 65% retail traders have taken long position and 34% retail traders have taken short position. So retail traders, okay, 65% retail traders have taken long position. They are thinking that market would be going up. And as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money always. So there's a good possibility of market going down if we consider the sentiment here, because most of the time retail traders lose money. And when they will be losing money? If GBPUSD goes down. And when GBPUSD will go down? When dollar will be going up. Anyways, whatever, okay, do not follow the crowd. Just trade with proper analysis and proper logic. Wait for the perfect time. Right now you can see that dollar is going down, so wait for another candle and then take the decision. And my dear friends, last month I have launched the Pro Trader program. If you are interested in the Pro Trader program, where I bring the best trading opportunities on the market with you, if you want to know more, then please go to the Pro Trader section on my website. You will find every information. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow again.